Good afternoon, Kayla.
Good afternoon, Trinisa.
So, we are now here at my grandma's store. You're going to purchase the needs at your house. So, all you have to do is just to get what you need, and then that's the time we will calculate everything. Okay? Alright, so go ahead, Kayla, and get what you want. Sige ko, tatanga lang. And we will total everything after. Sansok, day mo? Saan kag sansok day? Sansok, and then
Ano po mo dito, sir?
ano pa sansok? Ay, Downy. Mura ka nang upras lang, iba sud. Ay, salamat ang ubos. And then, kana pa. Oh, gatas. Kasi mag-champurado. Nga ko ikaw?
Ano dyan, puro ito, sir?
Ay, Virgin. Yeah, Bear Brand. Hindi mo mga pink?
Mga po.
Okay. And then we will go outside to total everything. Okay. 21. And then next is kanima, tagpila ni? Gis. 21 to kabok no?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
6. Alright, so total is 630. 630? Oh, there. Ikaw ang Chloe, ay kanang kaila, iikip pa siya. Like pila? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 630. Alright, so we are done with our necessity. And next is rice. 5 kilo. So, 5 kilo of rice. So, Kyla, you already got your needs, your necessity at your house. So, it was given by Gegandori. Okay.
야이군두리니 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Alright, so you have your rice already, your foods, and your shampoos for your proper hygiene. So, bye for now, Kyla.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요. So, these are my level 2 students. So, we will have a scramble or jumble words games. So, I divided them into 2. Group 1, the leader is Kate, and the group 2, the leader is Eliza. So, students, are you ready?
Yes! We are ready.
Yes, we are. Okay. So, kay bao naman mo noon saan pagpaagi?
Yes!
Okay. Start na ba? Okay, 1, 2, 3, start! Okay, I give you 3 minutes ra ha. Okay, clap! Okay, clap! Dili lagi mo duol, pahuwat nga duolon. Agoy! Go! 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 Pakpak! Kung kumupas, pakpak! Go! Okay, time is running. Good. Sudah grande. Okay. Dapat teamwork. Ops, ning dool na. Okay, go, go, go! Go, go, go! Sige! Hapit na 3 minutes! Kinsay daghang score ane. So, kinsa to'y daghan og score, siya ang winner. Mao ang group nga winner. Ang pinakadaghan nga score, ang insakto. Students. Okay, these are my level 2 students. So after our class, we always do this by brushing their teeth. So you know already na know how to brush properly your teeth. 'Di ba? Nakahibaw na mo, wala pa. So okay, nakahibaw na. So start na ta. 1, 2, 3. Okay, start. Ayaw mo panago eh. Ipakita unsaon pag toothbrush og insakto. How to brush your teeth properly. Up and down, then after na your tongue. Brush your tongue. Smooth hay, smooth ra. Awa. Smooth ra. Up and down na siya. Up and down, up and down. Okay. Very good. Okay. Sa balay, kapila mo manot brush? Katulo. So brush your brush your teeth 3 times a day or more. Ha? Before bed, after breakfast, after lunch, and after dinner. Okay, that's all. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. These are my level 3 students. So, ang among gibuhat karon kay naghimo ko og conversation, then ipatranslate na ko nila og Bisaya. English translate to Bisaya or Cebuano. So annyeonghaseyo students. Okay, annyeonghaseyo. So these are my level 3 students. So kay human naman ang among klase. So magbuhat mi sa among buhaton every after class. Mao ang brush their teeth. Ngano man ni akong cellphone. Annyeonghaseyo students.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Grace.
Sige na. So, kay human naman ang atong klase. Unsa may sunod na itong buhaton?
Brush.
Kapila man ta manot brush?
3 times a day.
3 times a day or more. So, unsa man ang atong buhaton kada human atong klase?
Mag-brush.
So, mag-toothbrush ta every after class. Okay. Ready na?
Yes.
Okay. Time will start now. Yeah, tubang din he. Up and down, up and down. Up and down. Then your tongue. Smooth ra ang tongue ha. Dili siya ko anon. Dili siya paspason. Ano ra smooth ah. Na. Okay, sige. Okay. Okay, ang human na, pagkuan na. Tubig nang. Sige na. Kaya tanaw na ko ang iyong mga ngipon. Okay. Linya. Tupong. Okay, tupong na tupong. Tupong na. Okay. Finish na sila. O, panot brush. Sige, tupong na tupong. May I see your teeth na, bi? Tupong. Tupong. Kit. Teeth of Junlin. Teeth of Kate. Okay. Teeth of Hazel, Eliza, Nicole, and Nathan. Yay!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Anyong hasayo, students?
안녕하세요.
Okay, anyong hasayo. So, these are my level 3 students. So, kay human naman ang among klase. This is what we will do after our class. They brush their teeth properly. Okay, ready na? 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, you know already na no how to brush your teeth properly. Up and down, then tongue, then smooth. Sa igabot sa tongue, dapat smooth. Okay. This is Jumong, Gwyneth, Gia, Nikki, Shireen, Nika, Ruan, and Darrell. Okay, brush, brush, brush 3 times a day. Brush, brush, brush all the cavities away. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay. Pwede na, limugmug na, pwede na. Okay, that's all. Bye-bye.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so question, why do we need to brush our teeth every day?
To remove cavity and bad breath.
Okay, very good. To remove cavity and bad breath. Okay, let's start. Okay, pag-brush na mo yung teeth. Okay, proper brushing your teeth up and down ha. Okay. Up and down, apila ang sailam o apila pod ang tang. Aw mangluwa agto sa gawas lakaw. Okay, hi Jel. Brush. Okay, brush, brush, brush. Natay kantahan nga. Brush, brush, brush. 3 times a day. Brush with Colgate. Alright, how many times do we need to brush our teeth?
3 times a day.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.